the newest free children's playground in Istanbul. In Istanbul, we go to Eyüp Sultan Çobançeşme Children's Village, which hosts the most popular fairy tale and cartoon heroes. Children enjoy the fun to their hearts content in the fairy tale village inspired by cartoon heroes. So where is Çobançeşme Children's Village? How to get there? Is there an entrance fee? Here you can watch all the details in our video. Located in a green area of 24,000 square meters in total, the children's village includes a mini train, carousel, adventure track, entertainment equipment, airplane and popular cartoon characters. Within the scope of the Children's Village project, children from both Eyüp Sultan and Istanbul are in an area where they can have fun, develop their imagination, discover their talents, and thus be happy. I say it is for children, but there are also gazebos for adults where you can have a picnic or relax while the children are playing. You can also take your covers and chairs and use the grassy areas. However, be aware that barbecuing is prohibited. Is Çobançeşme Children's Village charged? There is no fee to enter the park and playgrounds. You need to buy a ticket to use some electronic gaming devices. Their prices are very affordable. When we look at the prices, water 5 TL, tea 7 TL, coffee 25 TL, lemonade 30 TL, pizza 45 TL, hamburger 50 TL, French fries 30 TL. Toast varieties start from 30 TL. You can use the paid sections by purchasing a 20 TL card from the buffet and loading it into it. There are only 2 paid games, Mini Train and Carousel, they are 10 TL. By the way, there is a kiosk, lavabo and a prayer room inside the park. How to get to Çobançeşme Child Village? If you take the Alabaköy Metro in Eyüp Sultan District and get off at the Güzeltepe stop, you will be right in front of the park. Additionally, public transportation vehicles from Kajathane, Alabaköy and Kemerburgaz departing from Eyüp Sultan will take you to the children's park. The full address of Çobançeşme Children's Park is Güzeltepe District, Çobançeşme Park, Eyüp Sultan/Istanbul. If you want to go with your own car, there is no private parking lot. You can park in the neighborhoods at the top. To reach it by bus, you can use buses line numbers 48A, 48E and 49GB. After getting off at Çobançeşme stop, you can reach it within a 5-minute walk. To go by tram, you can take the tram line number TM1, get off at the Çobançeşme Park stop and reach it within a 5-minute walk. To go by Metrobus, you need to get off at Avansare stop. Then, after walking towards Eyüp Sultan direction, you can transfer to the tram line number TM1 and reach it. What's in Çobançeşme Children's Village? First of all, it is a beautiful park with cartoon characters that attract the attention of children. The most well-known of these characters are Rafadan Fatim, Kelaglin and Nasrettin Hoca. Children of course know these characters from television or videos. They are very happy when they see them up close and take lots of photos. Apart from these characters, there are also swings, slides and various playground equipment in the park for children to have fun. Since it is not a very large area, there is always a crowd and waiting in line, but they somehow find a way to have fun. Well, you may wonder what's in the park for adults. Let's just say, there are covered camellias. You can have a picnic here without a barbecue. The number of gazebos does not exceed the fingers of 2 hands, so you may have to sit on the grass when you come. You should bring a picnic blanket or something similar with you accordingly. There is also a buffet where you can buy children's needs. Small snacks and drinks are sold. You can pay both in cash and by card. By the way, there is a public toilet in the park. The entrance fee is 2 lira and it is very clean, because in such crowded places there can often be cleaning problems. When we look at the Çobançeşme Children's Village visiting hours, it is open to visitors between 10 in the morning and 10 in the evening. Yes, friends, if you have had good or bad experiences about this park, do not forget to write it in the comments section. You can also subscribe to our channel for such content. We hope you all have fun.
Çarpmadı sana, dikkat et.
Şu çarpıyordu zaten.
Beyazlı mı?
Arabanın orada.
Ay gel 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 seni gel. Gel.